Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can change your SIM pin on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Maybe you have a really complicated SIM pin, you can't remember it, you get confused with all the other pins you have in, well, your day-to-day life, or you're maybe worrying about your safety, or, well, not your safety, but the safety of your phone, as maybe someone found out about your SIM pin and you now worried that they're gonna steal your SIM card. Whatever it is, we will go ahead and change our SIM pin now. And for that, we need to go to our settings. And now we need to go all the way down to security and privacy. And here we then need to go to more security settings. And now SIM card security. Click there, and then we have change SIM card pin. First of all, the lock SIM card is enabled. If you want to disable that, you need to type in your SIM pin, but there is no need to disable that as you want to have that on. Otherwise, it's just pretty simple to take your SIM card and put it in another device. Then you don't need to unlock it at all, and well, people could just get to it. So you want a bit more security and want to leave that on just to make sure that nobody is stealing your SIM card. So we will click on change SIM card pin now, and we will put in our current SIM pin and then a new SIM pin. Retype that, and now SIM pin changed successfully. So if you now have to unlock your phone again, you will have to type in your new SIM pin. Keep in mind when you're about to change your pin, you want to be a bit more creative than 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times 0, stuff like that. These are just not the most secure options, so be a bit more creative to actually secure your phone and your SIM card. So that's how you can change your SIM card pin on your Samsung Galaxy S24. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.